Essay on bus station in English. The bus station is a very busy place where bus stops for a while to get the passengers on the bus and to get down from the bus. Generally, a bus stand is situated at the side of a busy place, market, school, factory and recreation center, etc. Traveling by bus is very cheap. There is a continuous inflow and outflow of buses. Most of the buses are overcrowded. As the bus arrives, the passengers rush to board it. A bus stand is always noisy. There are roadside tea stalls, small shops, small restaurants, etc. Some people sell betel leaf, cigarette, tea, seasonal fruits, etc. There were many hawkers selling eatables and toys. There were beggars too. One bus comes and another goes. Thank you, everyone, for watching my videos and sharing them with friends.